Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to build personalized header with a powerful Divi theme. So in order to do that, first I'm gonna create a new page, but I'm gonna call it new header page. As an example, I'm gonna publish it. Okay, good. We go back to the dashboard and we need to go to Divi and Theme Builder. So here's where all magic happens. So here you can create a custom header, custom footer, you want to add custom blocks for a body, etc. So let's focus on creating custom header. So click on the plus sign, then build a new template. So in this section, we will specify where we want to display our header. So for our case, we're going to display the header in the new header page that we just created it. So if you want to display it on all the website, just take all pages. If you want to have only for blog posts or specific category posts, if you have a archive page, etc., you can check it. Also, if you want to exclude, like for example, if you want to display it on all pages in the website, you want to exclude the homepage, you can do that as well. So there is a lot of choices you can make in this setting. So after that, just create template. Here we have this one. So we need to click on add custom header, build custom header, and we wait for our page layout to build our first custom header. Alright, so let's start building our custom header. So my goal is to build something like that. So definitely I will have top bar here, which is purple, and we have a white header, which contains the logos and the menu. Okay, so let's do something like that. So let's start with the menu and the logo. So to do that, so add a new row, and as a module, so we're gonna search for menu. So we have menu here. So first you're gonna specify which menu do you want to display. So you can create the menu and the appearance menu, etc., and specify the pages that you want to appear, and then just choose from the list of the saved menu you have, and that's it. So for me, I'm just gonna like main menu. Okay, good. For the logo, I'm just gonna pick this one. Okay. The elements, maybe I will have a search icon. Gonna add like shopping cart if you have a WooCommerce store, etc. So we don't have to do that right now. So the link, it's in the same new tab, so we don't have to change that. The background need to be white, so by default it's white. So we don't have to change that, and we just need to design our layout. So the logo, let's start with the logo. So in order to do that, okay, so let's put this at the side here. Okay, so let's start with the logo. Okay, the logo seems too big, so let's hit logo. Oh, it's not in logo. So let's hit sizing. So we have the logo width. It's a little bit big. Okay, good. Okay, I feel that the menu should be here. The menu should be here. Okay, so and the logo should be at the end. So I need to push the menu. So in the design, I'm gonna search for the menu, and then I need to align it at the right. Good. Okay, it's still a little bit not wide. So that's why I need to increase the size, the width of the row. So I just edit and design, and then we're gonna go to sizing. By default, it's 80, so I'm gonna just put it 90. Okay, good. Yeah, let us see. Okay, it seems good to me. The logo is still big, and I think this one is... I need to play around with the sizing. Okay, let's start with the logo, the sizing. I'm gonna just put it at 30. 30 is good. Maybe not. Okay. Sizing 25, 25, maybe good. Okay, maybe I'm gonna just put it here so I can see the real size. Yeah, I like this one. Also, I wanna play with the size, the text. So I'm gonna go menu text. And I'm gonna increase the text size. The color is a little bit gray. I don't wanna have gray color. I'm just gonna give it a black color. So 6 zeros. Okay, good. Alright, so I think it's good in the mobile and the desktop version. There is a lot of space here and a lot of space here in this section. So I'm just gonna remove that spacing. So by default, each section have like a default padding. So I'm gonna just give it 0 pixel at the top and a 0 pixel at the bottom. So this way it should look something like that. There is still a space, but this space is not from the section, it's not from the blue, it's from the row, the green one. So again, I'm gonna delete the spacing, the padding. 0 pixel here and 0 pixel here. Okay, it looks good, yes. We can give it like keep spacing of 10 at the bottom, at the top and the bottom. Okay guys, do not make sure that this looks good both on mobile and desktop and on tablet, of course. So if you want to hit tablet, okay, it looks good. On mobile, wow, on mobile doesn't look good. So I'm just gonna, okay, this one, if you can't click on the logo, just to change the way you specify the items to edit, and just when you hover, you're gonna see the gray outline. So double click, it's a section, double click, or you can just go and edit. So menu setting, switch, okay, sizing, okay, the logo width. Okay, again, the logo width should be something like that. Yeah, this looks better, much better. It's 50, good. Let's go to tablet. Tablet, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, this looks good. Yes. Okay, good. So our menu looks good, but both on desktop and on mobile and on tablet. So what's left is we want to add the top bar. So in order to do that, we're gonna add another section, regular one. It will contain just one row, and we're gonna add blur. Okay, so as a text, let's put like something like the email of company, for example, wpwithcream.com. Okay, we have the menu, the image. Okay, good. It's too big. I know it's too big. I don't need the text, so I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, good. Let's now design or customize the image. I don't want to be. First of all, let's keep it on the left. The width is 100%, so this is the maximum. Okay, the heading should be black. Again, I'm gonna give it black. Good. So it seems that it's not aligned, vertically aligned with that. So either you want to fix it with some CSS, or I'm just gonna go with the line height. So the text line height can fix it easily. Yes, something like that. Okay, good. 1.5. 1.5 is centered. Yeah. Okay, good. It's still too big. Again, I'm gonna delete the padding on the section. So if you followed in the first section, we said that each section by default it's it comes with with an extra padding and at the top and at the bottom. The same for the row and the same for any module. So I'm just gonna give it 10 pixels here and 10 pixels here. Okay, good. Okay, right now I'm gonna give it a background color. Make sure that you give a background color for the section, the whole section. Okay, I'm gonna give it the same color as this one. I just took the hex code and just gonna paste this one. Okay, looks good, starting to look good, yeah. Okay, so now let's customize this top bar. That's gonna be the top bar. I noticed that the gray layer is too big because I want to align the module at the right, and it doesn't work. The reason why is that the layer and the size of the blurb is too big. So I'm just gonna give it module alignment. I'm gonna decrease the width until it reaches the maximum. So yeah, like that is good. Yep. Yeah, it's you see the gray layer is 100% like have perfect size. It's like a flex wrap, if you know a little bit about CSS. That's not important till now. Okay, I noticed something else, so we need to fix that. The size. If you see, like as you see, the size of the green layer, the module, the row, does not have the same size. So I'm just gonna check the sizing. So I give it 90%. So this one should be also 90%. So I'm gonna go to sizing. I'm gonna give it 90. Okay, good. Seems good to me. Yep. Maybe if we... Okay, right now just hold and put it at the top. Okay, starting to look good, right? Gonna keep pushing until it becomes super. I'm gonna decrease some size. Okay, good. Nice, that's perfect, 21 it is. Okay, again, try to switch. Okay, seems also it's not good. So let's go back. Sizing. Okay, the width is only applied on the desktop. So we need to go here. We need to give it a specific size. Okay, it's left aligned. Okay. Good. Okay, this looks good. Okay, let's go to the phone. And the phone looks good, so we don't have to change anything. So either it is like on the left or on the right. So module alignment is applied on all if we don't specify the device that we want to show. And yeah. So I think if we changed it to white, it should look better. So we're gonna design title text and we give it a white color. Yes, that's much more better. Okay, looks good. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit save like every time you make serious changes, because sometimes you don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe your PC turns off, maybe the internet cuts off, maybe you lose some blah blah blah. So saving will save your life and save your editing. Okay. Alright, so after finishing customizing our header, we want to see the effect and how it looks on our page. So I'm gonna hit save, and you can close this button, and don't forget to hit this save changes before you see on the page. So I'm gonna refresh, so it applies here. The header looks good. Okay, it's not sticky, but it looks good right now. Okay, now we're gonna add the sticky effect. So we're gonna go back, custom header, modify. Okay, now let's focus on making this section sticky. So I'm gonna go to advanced, scroll effect, and stick to the top. Okay, good. So after it's sticking, so it should look good. So I'm gonna click save, refresh, and right now, yeah, it looks good. It's sticky, but as a sticky, we want to make this color like yellow or other color. So I want to change the color while it scrolls. So to do that, let's go back to editing the section. So I'm gonna hit on background because the default background is white. So we can change it from here if you want. Okay, there is a problem. We're gonna fix it. That's good that we have a problem. So I'm gonna we have this option sticky. So after we make the sticky effect on, so this appears here. So I'm gonna click on it. So we have on desktop or sticky. So on desktop, let's make a white color. So it's white. Okay, good. So when it is sticky, I want to make it yellow. Okay, good. And I'm gonna hit OK. So I noticed that this section have a white background. So whether it is from the row, the background of the row. Okay, it's not. It doesn't have background color. So maybe it's due to this, the background of the module. So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, it doesn't have any background, and I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, so I'm gonna save. Okay, again. So I'm gonna refresh the page, and hopefully when I scroll, you see, so the background changes successfully. Okay, so now after we make our menu sticky, I wanna change the color of the menu while I scroll down. So to do so, let's go back to the menu, the module setting. I'm gonna go design, menu text, and I wanna change the sticky color, sticky menu color. So I'm gonna hit the sticky icon here, and I'm gonna switch to sticky. And I'm gonna give it a color of white. Okay, good. Okay, the icon of the search also should change to white. So to do that, let's close the menu text, the icons, shopping cart, no, the search icon, okay, search icon, sticky, switch to sticky and give it white. Okay, perfect. Just hit save changes here and save. We refresh the page, I'm gonna see that the menu color and the icon has successfully changed. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed creating your custom header with Divi. So if you have questions or feedback, leave a comment below and I will be sure to respond. See you in the next video.